Bom dia, meu nome é Rafael e eu sou aluno do curso de computação aqui no Niagara College. I'm sorry, let me start again. My name is Rafael and I'm an international student here at Niagara College and I'm from Brazil. I am in the computer programming 2 years program here at Niagara College and I just finished my first year here in May. My classes start back in September. I am here in Canada with my wife Priscilla and my daughter Alice. My work field in Brazil is ERP systems, integrated systems for companies, and I worked in the biggest company in Latin America for this segment for more than 10 years as a consultant and programmer. Then I quit this job and I opened my own company, but my experience as a programmer was based in a computer language used only for this company, and I needed to upgrade my skills. Then I started thinking about a solution to solve this problem and to upgrade myself. As I mentioned, I have a daughter. She's 5 years old. And as a parent, we always want the best for our kids, right? So my wife and I wanted to give Alice the best experience that we could. So we started searching for opportunities to also help in my situation, but that our family could grow together. And then we thought about Canada. It's a growing country, ascending economy, high-grade education, and one of the best life quality in the world. And most important, they need good people to work here and help and grow together. So for me, it was a perfect match. In my research, I found Niagara College, well-recognized college in a beautiful and developing region. So just one flight from home and close for some of our relatives. It was a surprise for me that when I knew that the manager of student recruitment is a Brazilian as well, Fernando Gama. And Fernando told me about a scholarship that Niagara College offers to Latin American students, and it was great for me. Studying here, since we have 4 months of summer break, I saw the opportunity to work here at WAMEC as a research assistant, and I applied right away. Working here at WAMEC is an excellent opportunity for me as a student to apply what I've learned in the classroom to give solutions to real-world problems. I'm pretty sure that it's going to be easier for me to find a job after I graduate because I'm already solving real-world problems with business partners, just like Ephraim, and real companies. So I'm really proud to be here at Niagara College, to be studying here, and I'm really proud to be working here at WAMEC as well. So thank you everyone, merci, and as I would say in Portuguese, obrigado.